Hello everybody, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing what should be, yes it is. This is a carrying case or carrying bag for the Canon G7X Mark II. Oh, that is nice. I believe this is going to be everything we've been looking for. Alright, so it comes with a strap. Overall, it looks pretty nice. Now, I am wondering, so this is the camera. We got a silicone protective case on it just to help protect it even more. And I am wondering how that's going to hold up with putting this in here, if it's going to be plenty of room. Oh yeah, that worked great. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Oh, and you even got a little strap in here for around your belt. That's cool. Wow. So if you guys are interested, I'll have a link in my video description where you can get this carrying case at. Now you can fit a lot of cameras in here, different types of cameras, not just for the G7X. So you got a slot for probably memory cards in here and extra batteries in here. Overall, this is really nice. So it's getting a 9 out of 10. Fits good. It's not too bulky. Yeah, I really like it. So that gets a 9 out of 10.